Hello everyone, welcome to visit Shenzhen East Line telephone factory. Today we want to introduce you one GSM cordless phone. This is our charging base. Can be desktop. It's the charger. It's the phone. This phone is very small and portable. Let me check the menu. It can support dual SIMs, dual standby. Menu, check here. Contact, call logs, setting. Empty setting. Language. Now here is as only English Chinese. Simplified Chinese. Colleagues. Contacts. Messages. Profiles. Calendar. The audio. You should put in one memory card here. It's called recorder. Let me check the back of this one. Open here, you can find here this has a shape, edge shape. Two IMEI numbers here. The cat. The SIM slot, memory card slot. The battery is here. It's 1000. Check send like Nokia. If you want to have any interest like this phone, you can contact us freely. Thank you for your time and watching. See you next time.